Could this cenote be a gateway to a whole new world? If it is, where does that world lead? Every new cenote presents a new opportunity.
Cenotes really present us with the truest form of exploration found today. When we come up to the side of a cenote, we literally have no idea what we're going to find at the bottom of it until we actually get in and investigate. And for me, that's one of the greatest thrills about what we do.
Ready? Almost.
Cenotes aren't just simple pools. They're caves, flooded caves whose roofs have collapsed. But Sam and Steve have yet to discover to what extent cenotes are connected to each other by flooded tunnels. If there is a network of tunnels down there, how far does it go? What they're doing is carefully charting an as yet uncharted part of the planet, somewhere no other human being has ever gone. It's one of the riskiest things an explorer can do.
This type of diving isn't for everybody, and definitely you have to want to do it in order to be involved in it. The first cave dive that I ever did, actually, I was pretty nervous. Talked to an astronaut that sat on top of a rocket full of fuel and blasted off to the moon. Sure, I bet they were a little bit nervous, but look what we've gained through space exploration. All those people were willing to take a risk to achieve an incredible goal.
Sometimes there's hardly enough room to squeeze through. Getting stuck or damaging vital equipment now would be fatal.
We're diving in an extremely hostile environment. It's underwater, it's dark, it's easy to get disoriented, and therefore it's easy to have panic attacks. There's two ways out of a panic situation: luck and death, and therefore panic is not an option for us. You really have to take 3 deep breaths, calm yourself, and assure yourself that you're able to get out of that situation.
Exploration is rarely without risks. But one of the biggest rewards is seeing something that's never been seen before. What they've discovered down here is just staggering. The Maya did have an underworld, and it's as strange and as beautiful a place as any myth might describe.